Hello everyone, you all are welcome to Nice Light Media. And now, if you are that kind of person who still find it difficult to edit your studio background, to do your studio background manipulation seamlessly, this video is for you. Watch this video to the end because you are going to grab something amazing from this video. Yes, and also before we continue, don't forget to hit that subscription button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So now let's go into the reason why we are here. You can see this image. Now I've already retouched this image. I've already cleaned the image. So now what we are going to do now, we are going to put a side background on this image. Yes. So now what we are going to do, we are going to trim this image. We are going to use our select subject. We are going to click select subject, then it's going to do the work for us. So now you can see select subject has already done the work for us without we doing the trimming. Yes, that is one of the easiest way to trim your photo. Now you will zoom your photo because select subject is not going to select every part of the image. Now you are going to check the image. You are going to check the image, right? If you see that select subject did map the image accurately, then you are going to use your polygonal lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool. Then you pick your polygonal lasso tool. Then hold down your shift. If it is minus, you hold down alternative. You can see this is plus, this is minus. Then you hold down your plus, which is shift. You hold down shift, then you click on it like this. Then do the same thing here. Make sure you map every part that is nowhere mapped. You can see this is minus. I'm using alternative. So you see, make sure you trim it properly. You are all welcome back. Now I'm done trimming this image. You can see I'm done trimming the whole image and everywhere is properly mapped now. You can see. So the next thing we are going to do, now is to trim our image out from the background. But now what we are going to do, we are going to, right click our marks, then feather it with 1 or 2. Let me use 1. I don't want the feather to be high. Then I right click our marks again, then select inverse to cut out the background. We are going to cut out the background first. Now then you hold your control down, then you click the middle of the background. It's going to reselect like this. Then you click on select inverse, then it's going to select only the image. Then you come to your layer 1. In your layer 1, then now you come to here, you click on it, then take it up. You can see, then click Ctrl J to cut a new layer copy. Now, what we want to do now, we want to bring outdoor background, which we have generated before. Now, like I told you, you have to be working with AI. You need to work with ChatGPT. This background I want to bring now, I saw it on Instagram, then I downloaded it. They use ChatGPT to generate it in high quality. You can see now. Then you come here. Let me bring the background. So we are going to use this background. You can see we are going to use this background. So you can see how the background is looking. High quality background, you can see. So I'm going to take the background now. I'm going to place it on the image. So now we are going to size this image. We are going to size the background on the image. Now let's do that. But first, let's cancel this background. So now let's size the background on this image, So now you can see if your background is on high resolution, if you generate your background in high resolution, you can see when you manipulate it, it's going to look natural. It's going to look natural. But if your background is not on high resolution, like your background do not have high resolution, is looking blur, when you place it on your photo like this, you are going to see that this floor is going to be like the image is floating. But since the background is on high quality, it's going to look like the image is, this is where they snap the image. Now, but we are not done. Yes, we are not done. Now, what you are going to do, you are going to check the hair. You can see, if you check the hair now, you are going to see the sign of the natural background which they take the photo. You are going to see you are going to see it on it. Now, what thing you are going to come? You are going to come here, then pick any of these two. Then you come to select and max. Then you click on it. The next thing you are going to do now is to come here. You see, then you come to this, you click this one. It's going to show your background and your photo. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to click on refine hair. So it's going to refine the hair for us. But something here, what we are going to do now, we are going to be removing the hair little by little like this. You can see. So you can see now. So as we click on it, it's removing those color. Leaving the hair, only the hair. So you can see. So this is how you do it. You can see. So now, if you look at this, if you look at the photo now, we have already removed all the colors from the hair. Now, for you to see that you have removed all the color, you can come to the red. Now, we check this place. Now, you can see that there's no color again. It's just only the hair, remaining only the hair. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to come here. We come here. Then I will click OK. Then we click OK. Then we click OK. You can click this one, but we don't need new layer. So we are going to unclick it. We are going to unclick it. Then come here. Then you click OK. After you click OK, this is how your photo is going to come. You can see. Now you can see this is after and before. After and before. Now let's turn the before off. Then what we are going to do now is to create shadow for this image. Yes, we have to create shadow for this image. And if you look at the floor of this image, it is not that well to me. You know, the surface of the floor is looking somehow. So what can I do? I'm going to bring another floor and replace it with this floor. Now, I have already generated the floor too. So let's come. So this is the floor. So you can see how this floor is looking. You see this floor is looking so beautiful. So I'm going to come, then place it on this floor. So let me remove this one. So I'm going to take it down like this. Then now I'm going to drag it. Yes, I'm going to drag it like this. Like this, you can see now. So now you can see. You see how this floor is looking so beautiful. You see how this floor is looking so beautiful. But when you draw it, when you zoom it, now you will see that the floor is showing some, edges sign on the other floor. So what we are going to do now, we are going to level it, by coming like this. Then we are going to use high feather 80 to feather it like this. And now let's still feather it a little like this. You can see now. You see now, this is before, after, before, after. You see how this floor now is looking so nice. You see how the floor is looking so nice. So this is how you place your floor. The next thing we are going to do now is to create shadow for this image. Now if you look at this image, there's no shadow on it. So what can we do now? Now we are going to bring shadow from the main photo. Now so let's group this, then turn it off. We are going to pick just the shadow like this. Like this is okay. So I'm going to use 12. Then I will come here, then cut it out. After cutting it out, I will come here, take it inside the group. Then like this, you can see now. So what we are going to do now, we are going to change the blend mode. So we are going to change the blend mode to something that, we merge with this image, with this floor seamlessly. You can see, so we are going to change the blend mode. You see, this one is a little bit. Okay, this one is a little bit okay. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to Ctrl U. You remove the color. After removing the color, then you brighten it a little. You see now, you brighten it a little. And this is how you do your outdoor background. You can see how the photo now is looking real. You can see now, if you look at the edges, you will see that this background now is still feeling somehow flying. Yeah, so what we are going to do now, we are going to come here, then trim these colors out of it like this. Use one, you see. Then do it like this. And this is it. So now I still want us, to remove the, if you check the side of this image, you will see the colors on it. So what can we do to remove all this color from it? Now we are going to hold down our control, then click here. It's going to show like this. Then come here, then come to modify, then come to contrast, then use tool. Yes, use tool. After you use tool, you can see it has already mapped those parts. You can see. So now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to click on feather. We use feather 1, radius 1. We are going to use radius 1. So one thing we are still going to do here is, now we are going to select subjects. After we select subject, then we are going to click it like this. Then you can see now, and this is it. You can see how this image is looking so beautiful. Now you see how this image is looking so beautiful. And now we still need to create another shadow. Yes, if you look at the shadow of this background, the shadow of this background is coming to the right side. Yes, so we still need to create another shadow. So the next thing we are going to do now, we come here. We are going to come here, then click on blend option. When you click on blend option, it's going to show like this. Then you click on drop shadow. You can see the shadow here now. So you click on drop shadow, then you come here. Then now you come to layer, then you come to layer style, then you come to create layer. Because if you click on your drop shadow like that, it's not going to show, it's just going to hang. So anything you see on it like this, you just click OK. Then it's going to create the shadow down here like this. You can see the shadow. Then click on the shadow. What we are going to do now, we want to bring the shadow down. Yes, we want the shadow to seamlessly blend like they took the photo on the background. So one thing we are going to do now, we are going to click then flip it horizontally. No, we are not going to flip it horizontally. We are going to flip it vertically. Now you can see. So after flipping it vertically, we are going to take it upward a little. Then like this. We are going to do it like this. Now I'm clicking down, I'm holding down control. I'm holding down control. Then do it like this. You can see now. Then like this. Then like this. Make sure you place it properly. Then like this. You can see now like this. You see? So you see how this is looking now. Then what we are going to do, we are just going to expand it a little like this. Yes, we are going to expand it a little, then take this one up like this. Now you see, you can see we are going to cut this part out of it. Use feather, let's use 9. Then click backspace, then you will remove it. You can see now you have to check this. Now you see that this image now, the shadow is coming towards every part. This shadow on the background is coming, but it's not properly is not properly facing the side of all the shadow. So what we are going to do now, we are still going to take it like this little, then take this one like this, and this is it. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to use Gaussian blur to blur it a little. So we're going to use Gaussian blur. And this is okay. You can see now. You see this now. Then we are going to reduce the opacity a little. You see? And this is it. Let's still take the opacity upward a little. And this is it. You can see how this image is looking now. Yes, you can see how the image is looking now. So let's take the opacity. Let's just leave the opacity 100. Then the fill, let's take the fill down a little. This is okay. Now you can see how everything is looking now. Now you see this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. And this is what most of the photographer do. Yes. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, subscribe to our YouTube, turn on the notification bell for more of our video, and also don't forget to drop your comment. If there's anything you want to ask, any question you want to ask, drop it under the comment section and we'll respond to you.